Okay, welcome back. Shaving Down Under. It's Monday. I am late. But have no fear. I'm the boss. Today, Old Spice. So this is the cream. And it's the original. I believe you can get it in different scents, but I think I just bought the original to match it up with my vintage in the mug. Of course, we'll finish it off with a stinging rendition of the Old Spice aftershave. And today I'm going to use I don't even know if I've used this razor in a video yet, but this is the first proper razor I bought. Just can't get that to sit right in the camera, but anyway, I believe I actually don't know how it's pronounced, but it's a Muhle, M-U-H-L-E, or Muhle, I don't know. It's the R89. It is a closed comb, and it's a mild razor, but it's a good beginner's razor. Maybe a bit expensive for a beginner's, but it looks like they're coming down in price. They're about 89, about $90 in Australia. Okay, well, let's get into it. Well, I've used the Uncle L technique, and I got a ton of lather. Look at that sitting in there. Smells alright too. Pleasant, nothing outstanding. Rolling with the ball brush today. I actually bought another brush. Can you believe that? Went to, let me clean this handle off. It's all slippery. Billy Goat Brushworks. One of his latest ones. And usually his new ones sell really quick. And it didn't. And I really like the look of it. I really like it. I just can't believe it's still there. Well, it was still there. And it'd been there for, I don't know, a few weeks maybe. And in the end, on the weekend, I just bit the bullet. Hit him up, worked out what was the right knot for it. And away we go. So, I've loaded up with the extra, the Lord Extra that I used on Friday. I was sort of impressed with that blade, and away we go. So you can get these R89s, the handles in different colours. Definitely get it in chrome, the rose gold, and maybe black. Pretty sure there was a few colours you could choose from. I did buy this from the shaver shop, and I just went in there about 15 minutes ago online, and I noticed that they didn't have any razors by this brand. All they had was razor blades, and yeah, that was about it. Something else, but it wasn't a razor. So this is the razor I bought after I bought the Penhaligon's shave set with that cheap Indian butterfly razor, or TTO razor. It nearly sliced all my cheek off. And this was a much better choice. So anybody out there have one of these or one from the Mule range? Mule? And what do you think of it? This is like a bit like a tech, a solid bar tech. Great razor if you've got to shave for work 5 days a week. So there is a bit of scent while it's on your face, while I'm putting it on now. But it is mild. So I did manage to get to IKEA last Friday. So no, Saturday morning. And I picked up the 2 display cases because I need to. Trust me. When I eventually I'm able to do this video, you'll go, oh yeah, you needed 2. So I haven't built them yet, they're just still sitting in their cardboard, stacked up, something for the cat to sit on. And he does. Shout out to Carl. Spurs 3-2 over Newcastle. I haven't seen highlights yet, I'll check them out today. So that was a good win. And more importantly, Spurs are still below Brighton. So I've got the shirt up. We didn't have a win, but we had a 0-0 draw against the bottom team, Norwich. So they earned their 2nd point for the season. But results went our way around us and we didn't fall down the table. This is the razor. I need to shave with this more often. Just a nice soapy sort of scent. It's really good, really soft leather, really creamy and soft. You can either just apply it straight to your face with your fingers, or you can brush it up. So I decided to brush it up. Now we're going for time. Okay. So anyway, Saturday night in South Australia, the Brighton game was on at 12:30 a.m. So me and another supporter, we arranged to meet at the casino to watch the game. And to our dismay, the casino couldn't show up. Apparently there's I'm pretty sure it's Sky they're using. And I think there's a pub package. It does the first 5 channels of Sky, and the Brighton game was on the 6th channel. So it's happened to us once before. And we sat there watching the game on Rod's phone, but it wasn't fun. I didn't have my glasses. I can see what's going on, but just looking at a little phone in a pub, in a casino. So we decided to cut our losses, and we both went home. I don't think Brighton played too well. Like, we had our chances. One real late. And early in the game there was a penalty. It should have been called, and they didn't. But saying that, Norwich had some shots they should not have missed. One, our goalie come out and the ball went past him. He had no way of getting back. It was just the Norwich attacker, the ball and the goals, and he didn't put enough on it, and one of our defenders was able to come back and get it. Norwich are probably close to a win. Yeah, they just don't have the right quality strikers. Fellas who do know how to finish the game off. Well, this stuff's all right. It's good commercial shave cream. Does the job. Lather's real easy. Got to be happy with that. Really enjoyed shaving with this. It is a mild razor. Maybe just a tad too mild for my liking, but not much. It's nice. It's a nice razor. Nice weight to it. And of course, I'm quite impressed with this Lord Extra. I think it might be a bit better than the Classic. All right. Let's get down to showtime. Splash this stuff on my dial. Now, if you buy the stuff, gents, it's got a big hole in it, so it comes out freely. Almost in. Interesting. The scent's a bit different this time round. Now it's starting to come through. There was a real burnt scent up front, straight after the alcohol burn off. Now the bay rum's come through. That's nice. Okay, yeah, not doing too bad. I've got to run. Please hit the like button and have a comment. Let's have a chat. I'm always up for a quick chat. Hit like, just helps getting things moving. And you know, as far as algorithms are, I'm down, way down in the pecking order. I'm on the crumbs. But anyway, if you're first time watching my channel, hit subscribe, hit the bell button so you know when each of my videos come up. I get 3 a week. Yeah, that'd be really cool. I'd really appreciate that. Well done, the Seagulls. Love this team. Love them. Wednesday, another unboxing is coming along. I'm pretty excited to see what that is. Last week I stacked up a whole heap of unboxings, so I've got them right through to Christmas. So that'll be fun. No idea what's coming up. And then shave on Friday, and I don't know what I'll be using. I'll work that out on the morning. Okay, people, enjoy your week. Thanks for sticking around. Yeah, if you see any products that I use that you like or would like to try, I'll leave some links down below, especially for the razor. That's a really nice razor. Okay, people, take care. Ciao for now.